Welcome to ToolSync AI, the first ever all-in-one AI hub that will connect directly to your website and social media accounts and handle everything for you on autopilot. It's as easy as connecting your account in accounts right here, either your social media or your WordPress websites, and then starting to generate either automatically or manually right here articles, posts, messages, comments with ToolSync AI. So from right here, we're able to generate our first article. And as you'll see, we'll be able to generate social media posts from this article and automatically post them. Real quick, let's just create an article and then I'll show you everything else that you can do with ToolSync AI. Let's just pick a topic. I'll just go with the suggestion here. I'll have it generate the keywords for me. Done. I'll have it generate the title for me. I'll type something here. Have it generate the outline. And then click Generate Article. And as you can see on the right here, it starts spitting out the entire article for us with all of the keywords that we've picked, with everything that we want. We're able to save content, we're able to generate social media posts from this, we're able to create backlinks, we're able to create anything we want to make sure that ToolSync AI links this article across all of our accounts, be it a website, be it a social media account. And it doesn't even stop here. ToolSync AI isn't just an article generator, there's plenty of those out there. It also allows you to chat with multiple versions of AIs, and it gives you access to all of these different experts, and they can be expert on anything you want, and you can chat with them. Even more than that, it's an image generator that you can create here. So for example, it creates images for us right in this chat here. It can help us with AI vision, where it will tell you what you're looking at. It will allow you to generate and edit your PDFs with AI and create any sort of code, either for your website, for your app, for anything that you need to code in. And with integrated templates that you can have access to, a dedicated AI writer, completely different from the article generator, an AI rewriter, and the ability to check for plagiarism and the use of AI. ToolSync just sounds like a dream. And the best part is that it doesn't end here. You have access to an AI photo studio that will allow you to reimagine one of your own images into whatever you want. And even better yet, it will give you a product shot for your picture. So if you put your cat, if you put your dog, if you put a bottle of shampoo, the AI will be able to create a perfect product shot for that, all within ToolSync AI. This sounds like so much, right? But it doesn't end there yet. We have audio to text as well as text to speech and a very unique ToolSync AI feature of AI voice clone, where if you upload a big enough file with someone talking, you'll be able to replicate their voice with AI. So check it out right now. We have dedicated support, training to help you get started, and I cannot wait to see you inside.